Hello, welcome again. We are solving Indian Forest Services Mechanical Engineering paper 2 of year 2009. Question number 8b. Differentiate between a base load and a peak load power plant. Explain with suitable examples. A power plant caters to a peak load of 160 megawatt. It has an annual load factor of 0.85, capacity factor of 0.8 and use factor of 0.82. Calculate 1 the annual energy produced, 2 reverse capacity over and above the peak load, 3 hours during which the plant is not in service per year, 4 annual revenue earned if the energy is sold at rupees 3 per kilowatt. So here the definition of base load is that base load is the load below which the demand never falls. So demand remains above that load, that is your base load, and it is 100% of time. And peak load is the maximum load, and it is about 15% of the time of the total load in a year. Now numerical part. So we know that the load factor is average load by peak load, and average load is given as 160. So peak load is given as 160 megawatt and load factor is given as 0.85. So average load comes as 136 megawatt. So annual energy production is 136 megawatt is there. So 136 into 1000 is kilowatt. And number of hours in 1 year is 24 into 365. So that makes 119.91.36 into 6 kilowatt hour is the annual energy production. And capacity factor is average load by plant capacity. So capacity factor is 0.8 and average load is 136. So plant capacity comes out as 2000 megawatt. This is your average load and this is the capacity factor. So plant capacity comes out as 2000 megawatt. And reverse capacity over and above the peak load is 2000 minus 160. So that is your plant capacity. And peak capacity, peak load is 160. So that difference is reverse capacity over and above the peak load. So that is 40 megawatt. So next is use factor. So use factor is energy generated per year divided by plant capacity into hours in operation. So use factor is given, that is given as 0.82, and plant capacity we have calculated, that is 200 megawatt, and energy generated per year we have also computed, that is 119.36 into 6. So use from this numbers of hours in operation we can calculate, that is 7264.39. Okay. So now next part, not in service, hours not in service. Total number of hours in 1 year is 24,265, and number of hours in service is 7, or in operation is 7264. So not in service is this 1495.609, and annual revenue is rate of 1 unit is 3, number of units are this. Multiplying this we can get annual revenue.